Hi, so today I'm going to explain about the program that I made. So this is the basic principle of electric circuit. Electricity is the set of physical phenomena associated with the presence and motion of matter that has a property of electric charge. Electricity is related to magnetism, both being part of the phenomenon of electromagnetism as described by Maxwell's equation. Various common phenomena are related to electricity, including lightning, static electricity, electric heating, electric discharges, and many others. So we have P equals to power, V equals to voltage, I equals to current, and R equals to resistance. So each of them is divided into three different formulas. For power is the rate per unit time at which electrical energy is transferred by an electric circuit. So we can see here we have P equals to IV, P equals to Ri squared, and P equals to V squared over R. So for the current, the definition of electric current is any movement of electric charge carriers such as subatomic charge particles. So for the formula we have I equals to V over R, I equals to V over P, and I equal to square root P over R. And for the resistance is also known as the ohmic resistance. It is a measure of the opposition to current flow in an electric circuit. So we have R equals to V over I, R equals to V squared over P, R equals to P over I squared. And for voltage, which is known as Ohm's law, is the amount of work needed to move a unit charge from a reference point to a specific point against an electric field. So for the formulas, we have V equals to IR, V equals to P over I, and V equals to Z P over PR. So I try to run this program. Okay, so try to click this. Alright, so this is where you input your values and the results you will get it here. So we have 4 buttons down here, which is back to main, calculate, clear button, and exit button. When you click this button, it will go back here. Okay, so let's try the other. Okay, such as this one, V equals to Z P over R. Okay, this is also the same, where you input the value here and you will get the results here. Okay, if you click the exit button, it will give you this warning box. Yes. Okay, so for example, I click the power one. So this is the power one formula. For the exit button, I use the integer results. So as you can see, the are you sure you want to exit, and the warning dialog. And for the back button, I use the dispose, where when you click the back button, it will go back to the main form. And the clear button is the set text. Just the difference between the 12 of them is just the PIV. Okay. Next. Okay, for the calculate button is a little bit different. I use the double plus double, but the only difference is this one, it doesn't have mat power, it doesn't have square root. So it's just the normal one, P equals to IV. So I just put the P input and P out, P output. Next, for example, voltage 3. Okay, so for the exit button, clear button, and back button is just the same, just the VPR is different. Okay, so for this one that I see, it has this one, mat power, because V equals to square root PR. That's why it's a little bit different. Alright, next is resistance 2. Okay, I take this as example because this R equals to V squared over P, so it's a little bit different. So this one is V squared over P. This V equals to RP, so when we rearrange this, we have V is equal to mat square root, because V squared equals to RP, V equals to square root RP. That's why it's a little bit different. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you for watching. Bye.